Hello, today we're going to present about DEC 20012 Programming Fundamentals mini project. First of all, we're going to introduce ourselves. So my name is Robinson Ramadan. My registration number is 20DEE19F2001.
My name is Ivy Kesilunga Anak Muslim Maka. My match number is 20DE19F2007.
So now we're going to explain about the task 1, which is 3-unit LED blinking with Arduino Uno. The components and equipment we are using, there is 3 types of LED, which is red color, yellow color, and green color. Next, 3 resistors, there is 220 ohms. This is optional, but not more than 1 kilo ohm, because if you're using more than 1 kilo ohm or 1 kilo ohm, so it will affect the brightness of our LED. Next, Arduino Uno, USB cable, breadboard, and jumper wires. So this one is the block diagram, and this one is the schematic diagram. This is the circuit diagram.
And this is the algorithm. Step 1, LED 1, LED 2, and LED 3. Step 2, signal timing. Step 3, display the answer. Procedure code. Start. Step 0, red light on. Step 1, blink the green light. Step 2, green light on. Step 3, yellow light on. Display the LED to the circuit. And this is the flow chart that we use in the task 1. And here the code. We're using the code program that Sir give us, which we only change the delay, which 1000 equal to 1 millisecond.
So this is the video of the constructions of task 1. So I will skip this video until uh, the final constructions of the LED like this. Sorry. So it will be like this. So next, we're going to explain about the task 2, which is model traffic signal auto foresights. So the components and equipment we are using here is Arduino Uno for resistor, which is 220 ohms, hookup wires or jumper wires, breadboard, red LED, which is for color, for pieces of each color of the LED, which is 4 pieces of yellow color, 4 pieces of red color, and 4 pieces of green color LED. So this is the block diagram. This is the schematic diagram. So this is the circuit diagram.
And here the algorithm. Step 1, acquire input data. 2, processing image, sending necessary output to the controller. 3, receiving output and converting it to the predefined threshold. Sending required signal to the traffic light timer. Procedure code. Start. Second, if traffic light equal 4, set the traffic light color to red. Else, if traffic light equal 8, set the traffic light color to green. Sending the output to the LEDs on the traffic light lane. Aim. And here the flowchart which we use in task 2.
So this is the
Here are
video.
the code. Here are the code program.
So here is the video constructions of task 2. So here we must attach the negative, the cathode of the LED or negative terminal of LED with the resistor. This one connect the resistor according to the sequence of blinking. So get out of the system. So which is some details from number 10 until 12. So now number one. So I'm going to skip this video, so you will see the results afterward. Okay. In order to make it functioning, we must do So here I'm going to upload the code to the Arduino board to make the 4 sides LED functioning. So here's the result. So next we're going to explain about task 3, which is line follower robot. So the components and equipments we are using here, there is Arduino Uno or Arduino Nano, which is the L293D or line 298N. So here we were using the L298N Arduino motor driver IC, robot cases, IR sensor module. We're using 2 pieces, black tape. This one for the for making the line follower, connecting wires, power supply, battery connector, and battery holder. So this is the line follower track 1, and then this one is line follower track 2. And then this one is the block diagram of task 3. This one the schematic diagram of the task 3, which is where I sketch the sensor shield and the motor driver. So this is the circuit diagram.
And the algorithm, timing for LED green and red. Sum the timing of LED green and red. Display the output to the breadboard. Procedure code. Start. Sensor for the line detection. Controller for decision making on direction of robot. Motor driver. Motors for precise motion. Left and right. End. And here are the flow charts. And this is the code that Sir gave to us. So we're gonna use this.
So this is the video of the constructions of task 3. So I'm going to skip this one. So I'm going to skip this one to see how I do the wiring of the cases. So here's the result. So the reason why the cars were moving like that, because we are using the shining masking tape or the line follower. So the sensors is not working properly because the sensor light are reflected to each sensor.
Discussion. Problem task 1. When we use the 2200 ohm resistor, the LED brightness was dim because the voltage of LED is 9 volts. Solution task 1. We changed our resistor to 220 ohm resistor and the LED brightness was brighter. From our understanding, there are topic 4 which is looping statement. A looping statement is a program construction that repeats a statement or sequence of statements a number of times. A loop has two parts, which is body and condition. Problem task 2. The lane 1 of traffic light will not lit because we can connect the round jumper wires on their side. Solution task 2. We did a looping jumper wire to each of LED of the lane 1. Then our traffic light of lane 1 can lit well. From our standing, there are topic 4 which is nested for loop. It allows the looping of statement inside another loop. The nesting level can be defined in time. For example, in our program of task 2, we use 4 sides of loop.
The discussion for the problem task 3. So here we used the IR proximity sensor on the cases. The robot couldn't detect the line follower because we did not adjust the sensitivity part of the sensor properly. That is why it couldn't detect the line follower. For the solutions of task 3, we tried many methods to make the cases detect the line follower, but it cannot. So we tried to adjust the sensor near each other, then the cases were moving along the line follower. From our understanding, there are topic while loops. The process go on until the test expressions is elevated to false. A proximity sensor is a sensor able to detect the presence nearby objects without any physical contact. So the conclusions here, in the conclusions, we able to achieve all the objectives of our mini project. We proved that the objectives were achieved by showing the successful mini project. In this mini project also, we learned and knew that the programming fundamentals are related to the actual circuit because we were using the C program to run our mini project. We also realized that the DEC20012 programming fundamentals course are the requirement, and we need to pass this course in order to take the DEC 400453 course for semester 4 and DEC 50122 course. By showing our successful mini project, we will be able to take both courses. And for the idea of our future final year project, DEC 40082 and DEC 50102, we strongly suggested an automatic wheelchair for a disabled person to ease their burden and help them to move easily. So this is so we have done our presentation. So here we thank you all for watching this video. So that's all from us. Till then, thank you.
Thank you.